The passenger side is upgraded and the driver side is stock. Let's see the difference that this made.
Oh yeah.
Is it the left or the right?
I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's definitely a huge difference. Look at that. Oh yeah.
What is there, a candle on the left side?
What's going on, NEM crew? Welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the Datsun, but we're showing you how to do a sealed beam to halogen conversion. Now a lot of you guys might be thinking, why aren't you going with a LED setup? Why aren't you going with an HID setup? The reason being is,
because we're old people.
We're old, man. No, it's just on this car, I don't want to have to deal with all these ballasts, all these extra things, all this extra wiring. So I figure if I can have the easiest setup, pretty much plug and play with not a lot of extra components to put on the car, that's going to be the best and easiest solution. So this should not take that much time at all. We got one side done already. We'll run you through the other side. Let's dive right in.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't.
This is such a simple install. If you're looking to upgrade your sealed beams so you have a little bit more brightness when you're driving, this is one of my top recommendations. It is so simple, so easy. It is the same process that you take to replace the factory sealed beam unit that you already have. So you would disassemble the housing, take out the factory sealed beam, and then replace it with this halogen unit, and it's a direct plug and play. There's no modifications to the housing, no modifications to the wiring. It is super simple, and you get a lot of extra brightness from your headlights using this install in this setup. The only hard part of this is finding a direct plug and play kit. So I will link in the description the kit that I used, or the headlights that I used on my car. Other than that, this is a very simple install and it shouldn't take you that much time at all. We got this done in 15 minutes. It's crazy how much of a difference this made for such a quick install.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We got the headlights converted from sealed beam to halogen bulbs. Now, that was probably the quickest install I think we've ever done on the Datsun so far. I don't know if we'll ever be able to beat that record in the future, but we'll have to see exactly what the time was and hopefully see if we can beat it. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, this is a perfect way to do a simple upgrade on your Datsun if you have the exact same car here. Straight plug and play. There's not much you have to do. And the only thing you really may run into is screws that give you a hard time getting out, whether they be stripped or rusted, whatever the case may be. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay classy, crew.